Hey guys, today I'm in Binghamton, New York at Onstenago Park. And you can see behind me there's a carnival ride. But I'm at the Spiedie Festival, which is a 3-day event from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today is Sunday. And they also have hot air balloon launches here. And you might be wondering, what does a Spiedie Festival have to do with model trains? Well, the Freight House Model Trains and More has a booth here, and we'll go check that out. But also show you some hopefully hot air balloons. And if you don't know what a Spiedie is, what the whole festival is based around, I'll get a Spiedie sub and show you what that's all about. It's a famous dish, food dish, invented in Binghamton, New York area. So the festival is not officially open yet. So a lot of stuff isn't put out yet, but there's all kinds of groups, and there's no lack of food here. Games for the kids, rides, and then later on there'll be balloon launches. All right, so walk this way. These are cool. These are like hot air balloon spinners. So this will be a big balloon launch later. But the reason I'm here, walk down to this booth and look. The Freight House Model Trains and More has a tent at the festival. If you notice, we have a new address. We'll talk about that later. But here's Josh setting up. Give you a tour of our tent. We got a little train layout and slot cars that we running. We have a giveaway drawing for O scale or HO. You win, you pick which set you want, and you get some accessories with it too. And then we have various other collectibles for sale. Hot Wheels. I just bought a Hot Wheel. Plane kits, O scale, and so on. Let me show you a little closer the raffle. You can win the CPKC, which is Canadian Pacific Kansas City train set, or the Union Pacific train set O scale, and you get some of these accessories. Or if you win the HO, you got the NS Thoroughbred or the Union Pacific Pacific Flyer, and you get these accessories. Bluecoats is probably the most famous Spiedie place in the Binghamton area. So we'll go in here and grab ourselves a chicken Spiedie sub. They make, lamb Spiedies. There's all kinds of Spiedies nowadays. It's basically just cubed meat and a marinade, but we'll get one and I'll show you. Here's the other famous brand of Spiedies in the area. Okay, hopefully you can hear me. It's noisy here. A lot of generators running. But here is a chicken Spiedie sub. And like I said, through the years they've been made of lamb, pork, beef, veal. I don't eat veal. But I prefer the chicken Spiedie sub. So it's cubed meat in a marinade. Everybody has their own special marinade. Generally it's a lot of, my grandmother made them. There's a lot of mint. It's kind of like Italian salad dressing in a way, slightly. But like I said, with a lot more mint usually. But there it is in all its goodness. And they are delicious. That is good. You know, I had these as a kid. We had a corner store that had sold candy and stuff. So I just bought one. I couldn't resist it. All right, let's build this thing and see how she flies. All right, there's all the pieces. Not a complex build. Fuselage, wing, stabilizer, and canopy. And the tail fin. All right, she's all built. Now what's funny is there's a pilot print on that side. This side, nothing. Same with the back fin. Oh well. Let's go see how it flies. You know, they always think these will fly better than they do, but we'll give it a shot. Damn. Let's cause some trouble.
Welcome to the Spiedie Festival Balloon Rally, presented by Delta Engineers, Vision, Federal Credit Union, Wells, Reynolds to Go, Monaco Energy Products, and we're here celebrating great Spiedies, balloons, and family fun.
All right, this isn't Spiedie, but at the Crazy Cannoli Cafe, this gentleman makes the most amazing avocado toast. All right, everybody. Festival's closing down. It's 9 p.m. I've been here since a little after 7 a.m. and I'm tired. And we're packing up. It's nice to have the lights in here. Josh and Dave are here. And I can tell you, I am so tired. But let me just say this. Oh, the layout's shut down. Where you see me, you're gonna see trains and crap, whatever, okay. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed the festival.